Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a unboxing and a mani using the Melodysusie 8-in-1 gel polishes. And the collection that I'm going to be showing you is the Starry Night collection. Alright, so let's dive in here to see what the Starry Night collection looks like. So the 8-in-1 Melodysusie gel polish collection, it comes with 8 gel polishes, and then it did give you a matte finish top coat. And then in the box here, it does have an informational step-by-step guide on how to do a gel mani from the prep through the whole process and in the finish of the mani. And then you will need to use a gel base coat. It did not come in this package, so you will need that before you start your mani. I just prefer to use a gel base coat to help chipping and the longevity of my gel polish manis. And then I did not end up using the matte top coat. I used a shiny top coat. So here are all the colors in here. And when I open this up, I am loving the teal, the red, and the silver. I just thought those were like the perfect Memorial Day, 4th of July color vibe scheme going on there. So here are all the colors that are swatched, and they're super sparkly, as you can see. I'm a sucker for anything glitter and sparkly. And then here are the swatches outside. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, so pretty. Alright, so for today's mani, we're going to be using the red, the teal, and the silver gel polish. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this mani, and I'll check back in a little bit. Alright, so I'm just wrapping up the mani here. I really like this gel polish. Normally I do dip powders, but sometimes I like the simplicity of doing a gel mani just because it's quick, sometimes a little easier, no filing and buffing, you know, all that good stuff that comes with dipping powder. But if you're a gel kind of gal, I definitely recommend checking out Melodysusie gel polishes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!